Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. We're going to clean my chimney today, okay guys? I'm going to set you up. Hold on 1 second, please. Okay, there's my chimney. I can't possibly get my tripod to stay still. It's just going to fall right over. But what I'm going to have to do is take the bottom off that chimney and then put my big chimney brush up and down that chimney there. And then don't put the bottom back in, and I'll take you back inside when I'm ready to do the inside. At least you'll be able to see that. Okay, guys? Hold on. Sorry I couldn't show you the outside. The thing was just tipping over. My grass back there is on a slant, so there's no way. But I'll show you how to take this apart. Okay, I gotta take this part outside. I have to take this collar out. Take that outside, because all these pipes have to be cleaned. All right. I got my 6-inch pipe cleaner. I'm gonna stick it in there, slide it all the way through. I don't know if you can see all the crap that's coming out. It's not good. But right. Now I gotta ring it real good. That's good. Now I'm going to take you guys outside. You can watch me clean the pipes. Okay, each of these pipes have to be taken apart, and I take a wire brush to them. And there's the inspector, as you can see. Filthy, dirty job. Filthy, filthy, dirty. And I don't know if you can see it side, but this is what we gotta do. There's a lot of creosote buildup. I haven't cleaned this in a while. And before I start burning it, I'm going to make sure it's clean. And since it was 47 degrees out this morning, I think it's getting close. So I'm going to have to start burning wood again. See it. I'm going to run inside and get the other brush. I think that'll help me a lot. I still got to use the wire brush, but I need a smaller 6-inch brush. You coming out? Come on. This will help me a lot. A lot easier. I still got to take the flue out of the one pipe. This pipe ain't too bad. Did a good job at that one. Let's get the elbow again. Alright. That's coming out right there. Alright. And straight piece. I did that already. This piece. Apart. Sometimes it's stubborn. There. There's nothing on that. This one's not that bad. Still got to do it. Good. One more piece. Take the flue out. There's part of it. There's the other part of it. together. So I'm not going to bore you with that. It's just vice versa. But this is the hardest part. I'm going to have to do this in the middle of winter too. Because, you know, don't want no chimney fire. Log cabin and fire in the chimney, not a cool thing. So be safe at home, people. Just be safe. Got a chimney? Make sure you clean it before you start a fire, because you don't know how much creosote's in there. You don't know if there's a dead animal in there, any of that stuff. So safety at your house, please, please. Okay. So this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. If you like what I'm showing you, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's not going to hurt you to do. And I'm sorry I couldn't show you the outside, but my tripod sucks. Okay. Sorry, people. I'm going to go turn you off and get this shit back together again. So maybe tonight, if I have to, I can have a fire. All right, guys. Thank you. Appreciate your watching me. Bye-bye.